platform as our very popular Volkswagen one, so it's the same user interface. Really cool. Now I'm just going to take you through a few of the features. It's all touch panel, it's mechless, so it's got a bigger screen, and we don't have essentially a CD player anymore because they've gone. We've coated them all with a little IPS screen, so it's fairly anti-glare resistant. Now if you go into radio, you'll notice here on the left hand side, if you pre-program your stations, it saves all the names automatically. Breeze the hits, and it will play any information from the radio station being broadcast at the time. For example, it will come across with any song track or anything there. Now if you want to save or program a station you're going out of town, press the little keypad on the side here. You can actually type in the number of say you want to listen to 3Z Boring, which is 100.1 here in Canterbury. Type in 100.1 and you're tuned there, and as you can see there, it saved it. So it's a very cool feature. If you've got a favourite radio station you're going out of town, you can just key the number in rather than search aimlessly for it. And in your settings here, we've turned off the autofocus. The traffic alert's not relevant in New Zealand, so that's all pretty cool. Now, obviously the reverse camera, these are completely compatible with reverse camera. As you can see here, reverse camera's on straight away. USB, we have a USB from the rear of the device, and you can plug that in for your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And as you'll see there, they've both got Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Seeing as the company's Android phone is being used to film this, we'll use CarPlay. Here's a phone I prepared earlier. Plug it in straight away. CarPlay highlights. Touch CarPlay. Unlock your phone for the first time. And we're in. So all your apps and everything are done there. It works. The beauty of these is you can actually have the radio going and have your maps, whatever, going. So I can go into maps. The map is playing, and we can still have the radio going in the background. Now, another little feature of this device is that all the apps inside it work at different levels. So if you have the radio going at 16 but your Bluetooth conversation at 25, it will stay there. For example, I had the Bluetooth music going louder at a higher level than I did the radio. All your apps are available through there, and we can have even Sygic Map can be downloaded. If you want a map that can be used in an offline environment, you can download Sygic or Sygic depending on where you come from. All your normal features there, and you can press the button in the middle there. Hey Siri, call Kyle Wilkinson.
Calling Kyle Wilkinson mobile.
And hey presto, it all works. Now Kyle's sitting in the back seat, so I know where he is. So we'll can that. It's all good there. Now going back to the main menu, just press the home, and you've got your normal features, Bluetooth. So I'm going to disconnect the CarPlay because of the Bluetooth. My phone will connect to Bluetooth here. You see it's connected through here. So Paul's yet another iPhone. And in the settings there, you can look at your call logs, you can load in phone books, you can do quite a few devices in there. You can play your music. As you can tell from that, all the volumes are independent of each other, so you can have different programs at different volumes. There's another setting through there. Just pause. So if you press the name on the device, like so, it'll come up the device name. Now at the moment they're all called BT Nissan because I actually supplied to Nissan factories in a few worlds, but that's fine. And you can go on there, you can see the paired devices, and you can decide which device you want to pair to. So at the moment this Kyle's S10 is available, we can connect to that. So it's a pretty cool thing. If the two of you jump in the car, you can decide which phone you want paired to it. Go back to the main screen. There's an AV input available in through the back of the unit, and in the setup you can set date, time, 12-hour time. You can turn the beep off and on. I've turned the beep off. You can set up whether you want reverse line and how you whether you want an external microphone or an internal microphone. We always choose an external microphone because we believe it gives you better call quality. In the audio function there's a subwoofer gain, You can turn reverse mute off and on, loudness for example. There's a nice little graphic equalizer in it you can play with. And in the display, you can choose how bright you want in the dimmer mode. And there's also just the factory defaults, and if there's ever a software update, and you can set up to factory steering wheel controls in the device. So overall, these are a nice new device, the BTN 450, very nice touch panel, the screen is beautiful, radio reception is excellent, and the Bluetooth core quality is a step up again from devices we've had previously. So we've got these in a few new ranges of what we're calling a mechless range, and they can come and get them from us here at OEM Audio at 18 Coleridge Street here in Sydenham, or online at oemaudio.co.nz. We can give us a call on 0508 636 283.